Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we'll talk about something exciting. Asterisk sports asterisk.
That's right. Sports are a fun topic and they're a great way to practice English.
Whether you play sports or just like to watch them, you'll learn a lot in this video.
So, grab your notebook and let's get started. First, let's talk about some common sports. Emma, can you name a few sports?
Sure. Football, cricket, tennis, swimming. Oh, and basketball.
Perfect. These are popular all over the world. Now let's add some more. Baseball, a game popular in the US. Hockey asterisk asterisk, played on ice or field depending on the type. Volleyball asterisk asterisk, a fun team sport at the beach or indoors.
What about sports that are more adventurous?
Great question. Sports like skiing, surfing, rock climbing, and skydiving are called adventure or extreme sports.
Every sport needs equipment. Can you explain some examples, Alex?
Sure. For football, you need a ball and a goalpost. For tennis, you need a racket, a ball, and a court. For swimming, all you need is a swimsuit and goggles.
What about places where sports are played?
Stadium asterisk asterisk for football or cricket. Court asterisk asterisk for basketball or tennis. Pool asterisk asterisk for swimming. And a field for hockey.
That's so helpful.
Now let's practice conversations about sports. Emma, what's your favorite sport?
I love tennis. It's exciting to watch and play.
How about you?
I'm a big fan of football. I watch matches every weekend.
Cool.
Who's your favorite player?
Lionel Messi. He's amazing. To talk about sports, you need to ask good questions. Here are some examples. What's your favorite sport? Do you play any sports? Who's your favorite team?
And here's how to answer. My favorite sport is cricket. Yes, I play basketball every weekend. I support Manchester United. Hi, Alex. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football with my friends. What about you?
I usually play badminton. It's great exercise.
That's it for today's lesson.
We hope you enjoyed learning about sports. Practice these phrases, and you'll be fluent in no time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Speak English Basics.
See you next time.